Finally, bro. Yeah, makes sense, bro. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. Fuck! Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, it just clicked, bro. That just happened. What? What? Oh my god. What's up, guys? It's Zeronium here. Today, I'm going to show you my new hardest. I wanted to beat a memory level for a while now since my hardest is a hard demon in terms of memory. I need to get my UFO game up as well as my duel game up, even though I just beat Black Blizzard. So with that, my next extreme demon is going to be